Did you know that robots are not only reshaping our cities, but also the fields we eat from? Imagine this, a sprawling farmland, quietly buzzing, each plant under the watchful eyes of autonomous robots. Meet Jake, a forward-thinking farmer who's turned his once struggling land into a futuristic landscape of innovation. In the past, Jake grappled with unpredictable weather and rising labor costs. But what if a silent army of AI-driven assistants could take charge of every row and furrow? Enter agribots, the untiring workers of the agricultural world. Unlike human crews, these mechanized marvels never need a break and know every nook of the terrain. Imagine an AI model, trained like a seasoned botanist, inspecting every leaf for disease. Each robot, equipped with state-of-the-art cameras and sensors, monitors crop health with meticulous precision, sending real-time data to Jake's tablet. Therefore, Jake can make informed decisions with unprecedented accuracy. Picture an AI drone soaring across the sky, assessing soil moisture levels and even the tiniest changes in growth rates. These insights allow Jake to conserve water, a precious commodity, and enhance yield without relying on harmful chemicals. But what about the human touch? This is not the end of the traditional farmer. It's the dawn of a new era where humans and machines work side by side. By delegating monotonous tasks to robots, Jake now channels his energy towards strategic planning and innovation. Thus, a new generation of farmers like Jake could lead the charge towards sustainable agriculture, revolutionizing our relationship with the land. Ready to trust a robot with your lettuce? This is the story of how AI-driven farming may soon become our everyday reality. Welcome to the robotic renaissance of agriculture.